Hello, welcome to another mechanical engineering license board exam reviewer. Today's topic is on the permutation combination probability, and this is the probability of two black balls drawn from bag. The problem is taken from the CE Civil Engineering Board in May 1996. And remember, if you have a problem, we have a solution. So, problem reads, a bag contains 3 white and 5 black balls. If 2 balls are drawn in succession without replacement, what is the probability that both balls are black? Right. Need to analyze the given. We have 5 black balls. We have 3 white balls inside the bag. Now here are the conditions. The 2 balls are drawn in succession and that there is no replacement. That is, first ball is not returned before the second ball is drawn. So that means on the second draw, the number of balls to draw from is lesser than 1. Okay, the unknown is to solve for the probability that both balls are black. Okay, solution. Before we go to the solution, I'd like to invite you to please subscribe, like, and share. There you go, share the knowledge. And thank you, we're back to the solution. So the probability P that both balls are black is equal to P1 times P2. And the definitions for P1 and P2. P1 is the probability that first ball is black, and P2 is the probability that the second ball is black. Okay, so on the first ball, on the first draw, the probability for black is P1 equals 5 out of 8, because we have 5 black balls drawing from a total of 8 balls. And on the second draw, we have probability P2 for drawing a black ball is now reduced to 4 out of 7. We only now have 7 balls available to draw from, and there's only 4 possibilities for black. And so we substitute these two values, P1 and P2, to the formula and multiply P1 times P2. We got P is equal to 8 times 4 over 7. We got 20 over 56, or 5/14. Okay, cheers. I hope this is useful to you and I have helped you in some way. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, dokie. Take care.